Hey guys, what is that? So, by seeing the thumbnail, we have got the clear idea what we are going to discuss today. So, yes, you are right. We are going to discuss today about cybersecurity. So, some of you might don't know what is cybersecurity. So, yes, you are on the correct video. So, in this video, we are going to talk about cybersecurity. So, cybersecurity is the technological body that protects the networks, data, and processors from the attacks. Cybersecurity is also known as IT security, means information technology security. So, hey guys, you are watching the Random Technologies brand new video. So, without wasting any further time, let's begin.
So guys, you will be knowing what is cybersecurity. Now we will tell you how it works. So first, cybersecurity is a security which prevents your digital data from intruders. So it prevents unauthorized access. Okay, so now I will tell you how it works. For example, if you have a business and there is no wireless network, then what happens that if you have to share your file to your friend or to your customer, so what you have to do, and if he is 100 kilometers away from you, what you have to do, you have to extend wire to 100 kilometers, and that is not possible. So here we use wireless network. So the time between sharing that file, means to share file from here to that place, there is a time between, and that time intruders can have an access to your files, and they can also download it, and that's a big problem. So cybersecurity is used here. So cybersecurity is used to prevent intruders to have an access, and it also prevents that intruders and also ensures that intruders will not have an access to your file, means your personal file. So this way cybersecurity work, and it is very important nowadays. So now we will see why we need to be updated in that field.
Guys, so now I will tell you why do we need to update our cyber security. First of all, we need to update our cyber security because of the hackers. So if the hackers enter in our phone, we will be having a cyber security or a firewall which will help to keep the hackers out. So this is the important thing why we need to update our cyber security. The next thing is the hackers build up the new viruses, and the software developers find something weakness in our smartphones or softwares. So they give us the update, and we need to update it regularly to be stay away from the hackers. So hackers steal our bitcoins, cryptocurrency, and some other kinds of data which we do not need to share with our hackers. So this is the main reason why we need to update our cyber security.
Guys, do you know the kinds of the cyber attacks? I'm listing it. The first one is the most common cyber attack, the malware. It includes the viruses, ransomware, spyware, and many other cyber attacks which are listed in it. Another one is the phishing, the man-in-the-middle attack, the denial of service attack, SQL injection, zero-day exploit, and the DNS tunneling. Guys, this is the conclusion of video. If you have liked it, so please hit the like icon. If you are interested in subscribing us, so subscribe us, it is free. And if you have not seen our previous videos, so you can see on our channel page and in the I button, and at the last means the end screen. You can click it in the end screen and go, and you are free to share these videos to your friends and your family members. So this is the conclusion. Stay home, stay safe.